Pricing is one of the biggest concerns when outsourcing civil engineering production work, especially when firms are unsure how hours are billed or how value is measured. At CEI Engineers, we believe pricing should never feel uncertain or unfair. That's why our model is built on transparency, accountability, and long-term production value, ensuring clients always know what they're paying for and what they're getting in return. Before we dive into the details, here's a quick overview of how CEI structures its pricing model to deliver clarity and long-term value. In this video, we'll cover 1. Transparent billing and scope accountability. 2. Cost advantage without compromising quality. 3. Specialized expertise and production efficiency. 4. Predictable scaling and budget control. 5. Client assurance and risk protection. 1. Transparent billing and scope accountability. At CEI Engineers, pricing is built on transparent hourly production support. Clients only pay for actual engineering hours spent directly on their projects, tied to real deliverables such as CAD drafting, civil 3D modeling, grading, drainage, and plan production. We do not bill for internal meetings, training, or administrative overhead. If errors are caused by CEI, all corrections are completed at no additional cost. Before production begins, we align closely on scope, deliverables, and design standards, ensuring hours and expectations are clearly defined from the start. 2. Cost advantage without compromising quality. Although CEI pricing is often lower than many providers, quality is never reduced. Our cost advantage comes from operational structure, not engineering standards. Headquartered in Vietnam, CEI operates with significantly lower salary, office, and overhead costs compared to the US, Canada, or Australia. This allows us to maintain experienced engineering teams while offering globally competitive pricing. To put this into perspective, consider a simple comparison. A full-time civil engineer in the United States may cost X dollars per year, or roughly $60 to $80 per hour when fully burdened. With that same monthly budget, firms working with CEI can access approximately 200 to 250 production hours, equivalent to a dedicated mini-team supporting ongoing design work. The value comes not just from lower cost, but from greater production capacity per dollar invested. 3. Specialized expertise and production efficiency. CEI focuses exclusively on civil site and land development engineering, including subdivision design, site grading, and stormwater systems. Because our teams execute these project types daily, we operate with established workflows, delivering faster turnaround and higher hourly productivity. Structured training, technical leadership, QA/QC systems, and standardized templates ensure each engineering hour produces consistent, high-quality output. 4. Predictable scaling and budget control. CEI's production model is designed for flexibility and budget control. Clients can begin with small pilot scopes and scale production capacity as project demand grows, without the fixed overhead of in-house staffing. This scalable structure allows firms to adapt to fluctuating workloads while maintaining predictable production costs and delivery timelines. 5. Client assurance and risk protection. To ensure full transparency and client confidence, we structure our engagement model around 4 key safeguards. Are there any hidden fees? No. CEI does not charge setup fees, management fees, or administrative surcharges. Clients are billed strictly on actual engineering hours spent on their projects, fully documented through detailed timesheets. What if project hours exceed the estimate? Before production begins, CEI provides estimated hours based on defined scope. If hours begin approaching the estimate, we notify clients early, and align on next steps, whether optimizing scope, phasing deliverables, or approving additional hours. No overrun occurs without client visibility. Is there a minimum monthly commitment? No mandatory minimum is required. Clients can begin with small pilot scopes and scale production capacity as project demand grows, ensuring flexibility without fixed overhead commitments. What if I'm not satisfied with the work? If deliverables fall within the agreed scope, CEI will revise until requirements are met. Any errors caused by CEI are corrected at no additional cost. If the partnership is not the right fit, clients may conclude after the initial phase without long-term contractual lock-in. CEI's pricing model supports sustainable engineering partnerships, providing stable capacity, predictable budgeting, and long-term cost efficiency. With CEI, pricing reflects what truly matters: real engineering value, reliable delivery, and production support that scales with your business. CEI Engineers. Your time, your budget, your choice. Your best outsourcing partner.